come clean out my closet with me and make a Chipotle chicken densed bean salad. These are the ingredients I'm getting rid of, and I think these are all of the ingredients. I don't know. Same difference. So basically, we're just going to cube our chicken and clean it, make it as small as possible, and we are just gonna marinate it. So you do your slices, stick slices, whatever. I got my chipotle peppers, garlic. Then I want to put some honey in there. Oh, and there's Rita in her thing. So I added black pepper and just seasonings. Just regular seasonings because we got to make sure it tastes good. And there she go again. And there goes some oil that I was reusing. And we're doing just a little bit of honey. And of course, after we blend it up, we're going to taste it just to make sure it's just make sure it's right. So I guess I added some more honey. It wasn't right enough. And that's it. So we're just going to put it in there, mix it all around, and put it in the fridge until I'm ready to use it, honestly. So now we're ready to use it. I'll probably just put it in the fridge. I might have meal prepped it or made it later on in the day. So yeah, we're just going to add some garlic salt to it, onion powder. Just season it up. It don't need too much seasoning. And if it does, I'm just going to taste it at the end and add more. But yeah, there's our pretty chickens. Yum, yum, yum. I guess it didn't need no more seasoning, so we didn't add no more. So while we're cooking our chicken, we can really just drain our beans. I put garbanzo beans, black beans, and corn, and then a broccoli slaw, just so there's some other veggies in there. And that's really the base of our stuff. We're gonna add onion, and we're gonna dice that as finely as possible. She ain't no chef, so don't judge my chopping skills. We just do the best that we can. And I like a lot of onion. If y'all know me, maybe even the people that don't know me, I like the funky stuff. So I like garlic, I like onion. Ugh, just delicious. So I'm also cutting the tomato, adding that in there. And then after, really right now we're waiting on our chicken to cool down. We're going to add that in the end when it's really cool. But from here on, it's just really like the little vinaigrette. So it's going to be lime juice, oil, whatever seasonings that are Mexican-ish. So yeah, here we go making our marinade or our vinaigrette or whatever you want to call it. And I guess those are the proportions. I don't know. I didn't really measure too much out. But yeah, we're just gonna squeeze our limes. And I would say I didn't have enough lime juice, so you're gonna see at the end as I'm tasting it that I'm gonna wind up adding more lime juice, like the bottom lime juice in there. But I realized my chicken chunks were too big, so I cut them smaller so they're bite-sized. And the same size with everything else. We're just putting it in there. And honestly, I probably could have put some cumin or something in there. I think I did wind up doing that because that's why I changed colors like that. But you just want it to be flavorful. You want it to be bright. And also adding the extra lime juice or vinegar helps it, I don't know, marinate. It helps the vegetables stay fairly fresh and stuff like that. I don't know, but it's good. Got this idea from the densed bean salad girl, and I ate this for lunch, and I paired it with some protein chips. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.